Here is the Nissan Qashqai. Let's get started. Open the driver's side door, and now we need to pry this panel off. For that you'll need your key fob. Get the physical key out of your key fob and put it right over there in that notch and then pry it out. The reason why you're doing this is because behind this is where the fuse panel is, and very likely you have a bad fuse that's causing the problem. And the good thing is we have a spare fuse, so we're going to check the fuse and replace it if necessary. Get this panel off, keep it somewhere safe. Now what we'll do is look behind the panel is a fuse diagram. Let's focus on this for two different outlets, the inside and outside, two separate fuses. Let's get started. Get the fuse puller out first, and now get that fuse out. This is for the outside outlet. Get the fuse on it and pull the fuse, and as you can see, the moment I pull the fuse, the power is gone from the outlet because it's a good fuse. How do I know that? Look at the center part of it. The center part is not broken. If yours is broken, then it's a bad fuse, and that's good because that's what the problem is, and we have a 20 amp spare fuse over here. Always replace a 20 amp spare fuse with the 20 amp one. Do not replace it with anything else. When you check that fuse and put it back in the original position, power's back on. Repeat the process for the other one. This is for the one that's outlet. This is for the outlet that's inside the central console. Exact same process. Take it out and replace it if necessary with the 20 amp spare fuse. And that's about it. Once you're done, don't forget to put that fuse puller back in its original position. Put the cover back in, and when you're putting it back in, you have to first sort of align it at an angle like this and then press it down to clip it. And that is pretty much it. Hope you found the video useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory.